Hi guys, I'm going to tell you about my latest Amazon purchase, which is this really cute planter. It's a levitating planter, which is kind of unusual. Comes with this piece, a plug-in, and then a planter. So I plug the pot in, as you can kind of see it. With the magnets, it is just floating there, which is really awesome. So you can put some fun stuff in here. My kids love putting little toys. I think that's super cute to play with. Hi guys, you can see that I put a plant, a little succulent in the floating pot, and it just spins around, which is very adorable and kind of eye-catching. I'm going to put this in my office. So if you're looking for a special planter, check this out on Amazon.